All right. Today I want to go over ChatGPT and how to generate code to automate your processes in Excel. I am a computer engineer and software developer who, on the free time, I like to freelance Excel work and VBA development. When I first heard about ChatGPT, little hesitant because some of like the bots essentially that they've created before have been really bad. But ChatGPT is amazing if you know what you're doing. That being said, I think it could be very helpful for people who are just starting out. Give them a baseline rather than like Google and find stuff that doesn't work. So today I wanted to give a little example about something I do fairly often, and that's just input data into Excel from something else. So in this example specifically, it's an import CSV. You could do the same thing for an Excel XSX file, or just any Excel file essentially. So here you can kind of see this is my GPT conversation. I wanted to create an import function in VBA following these steps. So prompt the user for the CSV file, and I want to default to the user desktop so I don't have to keep clicking back. And then to import the data into the current sheet, delete whatever data was there before. It gave me this function. I put it in and it gave me an error. In fact, I'll do that now. So if I put this in and then run it, I get an error, initial file name not found, or there's essentially no input parameter called initial file name in open file, and I knew that got depreciated, and so I basically just I told it the error, and it said, yeah, okay, blah 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 blah. We don't. It's been depreciated. Now use file dialog. So it gave me the new code. And then I will clear this out and then cancel this, paste this in, and then run this. As you can see, it's prompting me to select a CSV file and it defaults to my desktop. I click that and here we go. I've got all the data and it actually closed the file. Let's see. Oh, yeah, okay, perfect. So it's good to go. Did exactly what I wanted to. If I say delete one of these lines out, just to make sure that we are getting um, all of our stuff that we want imported correctly. So there's 43 lines now. It deletes it, and we have 44. So yeah, it does everything perfectly. The one thing that I will say is that it does. I've been using this quite a bit. It does cause some unexpected behavior sometime just because it's not always right. It gets errors. Sometimes you ask it questions, it can't fix the errors. But all in all, if you're looking for something to get you like a first step instead of doing like record macro, this is great. Um, and you can actually ask it too. Like if you're writing your own code, you can ask like, "Hey, I'm getting this error. How do you fix it?" And it'll bring up some help for that. But yeah, if you guys want to see some more in-depth stuff about maybe generating some code through Chat GPT, or even how to like get to here and add it in, please feel free to reach out over comments. Otherwise, I appreciate your guys' times. And if you, yeah, drop follow, drop a subscribe. It helps me. I don't do too many videos, but I would do more if there was more of an interest in it. So, anyways, appreciate it, guys. Have a good one.